Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a natural everyday kind of makeup look. So let's get started. First I'm going to start with my primer. I'm using Pores Be Gone matte primer. So today I'm gonna start with my foundation actually, since it's a natural look, you know? Let's go in with foundation. I'm gonna be using Too Faced foundation in Sand. Now, I've noticed that when I use a brush, it has more coverage than when I just use a sponge. So I'm gonna go in with the brush. Make sure it's everywhere. Now we're gonna go in with a sponge and just make sure that everything is nice and blended. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with our concealer. I use Too Faced in Taffy, and I'm just gonna put it right under my eye to cover those dark spots, dark circles. Now I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit so that it could be more thick, so when I blend it, it could cover more.
So I decided to put concealer around my mouth because it tends to be darker around my mouth area, so I just put it to lighten it.
Okay, then I'm gonna use my Airspun setting powder, dab into that, and literally just put it right underneath and just like blend it into the skin. Now that that's done, I'm finally gonna do my eyebrows. So I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony. I used to use pomades, but my eyebrows would come out too dark. It's just because I probably didn't know how to use it that well. But now I just use a pencil. Sorry, that was dirty. Okay, I start right here. I just outline my eyebrow first, just line it all the way through. Then I go into the front where you see there's a whole bunch of stuff missing. Well, hair. And I just do little strokes up to make the illusion that I have hair there. And then I just start brushing it, so I can spread the product.
Then I just went in and kept filling in all the empty spots that I saw on my eyebrow, and I just kept brushing it as well to smooth it out and disperse the product.
So that's eyebrow is done. And yeah, so I'm gonna do this eyebrow and I'll be right back. And we're back. So I just finished my eyebrows and I sculpted them with some concealer, the same concealer I used before, and I prepped my eyeliner. Now we're gonna go in to the shadows. Please excuse my palette. My niece, Inara, cut into it. Not only did she swatch every single shade, but she touched the whole palette. Yes, but it's still good. All the shadows still work. So let's get into it, right? We're doing a simple look. Let me just remind myself. A simple look. A very neutral look. simple. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna put this shade right here into my crease. Now we're gonna go in with this darker one right next to it right there, just to deepen the crease. Then we're gonna go in with this one right there. It's just, I want it to look more warm, you know? And then we'll just grab a glitter. So we're gonna grab this glitter right there. Okay. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna go fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished the eye. I literally just put that shade in the crease and then just put the glitter right on top. So usually when I do natural makeup, I know a lot of people, they just use mascara, but my eyelashes are literally non-existent. So I still apply my like regular natural lashes. I know they don't look natural, but they pull the look together, you know? Now you guys can just wear regular mascara if that's what you prefer to do, you know? But I'm gonna be putting some lashes on. So before I put my lashes, of course, I'm gonna put some liner. I usually line to the end of my eye and do a tiny wing, just so I can, like, you know? So I'm gonna go do the other eye. No. And we're back. I actually decided to put on my lashes off camera. I used the Baddie B lashes in Baddie. They're not all that natural, you know, but that's what we're using today. So now we're gonna go into bronzer. I use the Morphe Megastar for as like a contour kind of shade. We're gonna apply that. Then I put a little bit of my bronzer, my lighter bronzer, to just, you know, I don't know. I just like this bronzer. It's Fenty Ting. And then I go in with blush. So with these type of, like, I like to call them natural, even though they might not be, but it's okay. I like to go in with blush, like a lot. So let's see. I have this Tarte blush Bazaar. I think I'm gonna use Fortunate, which is this little peachy shade right here. I'm gonna go in with this. After this, I go in with my highlighter. Today I'm gonna use this Anastasia with Amrezy. This is bomb. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna go in with my favorite liner, as I said before, BFF3 by Colourpop. And then I might just use this lip gloss. It's pretty simple. It's Kristen and Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be back for the final reveal. I gotta do like, and then I come back. Okay, bye. Actually, I forgot to put setting spray. The Morphe setting spray. Here we go. Now I'll be back for sure. So this is the final look. It might not be, listen, this isn't no, what is it, no makeup look. I try to do something natural. I always do a little bit more. It is pretty natural, very rosy, not too much, but yeah. So this is it. So this is the look, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed and you want to keep following up with my videos, please subscribe now. Turn on your bell notifications. Turn on your yeah. And thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.